Good morning and welcome back to my channel Learning Homeopathic Medicines. Today I am going to explain you about Bryonia alba. This is very frequently used remedy in our homeopathic practice. ये बहुत ही इम्पॉर्टेंट रेमेडी है क्योंकि ये फ्रीक्वेंटली प्रैक्टिस में भी यूज़ हो रही है और इस पे लॉन्ग क्वेश्चन हमारे मटेरिया मेडिका के पेपर में BHMS की मटेरिया मेडिका के पेपर में बहुत बार पूछा गया है। और इस लेक्चर में मैं बहुत सारे MCQs आपको बताने वाली हूँ जो फ्रीक्वेंटली पूछे जाते हैं एग्ज़ाम में और वाइवा में भी फ्रीक्वेंटली ये क्वेश्चंस पूछे जाते हैं क्योंकि वेरी कॉमन सिम्टम्स है ब्रायोनिया के और वेरी पिक्यूलर सिम्टम्स है ब्रायोनिया के। और एट द एंड ऑफ दिस लेक्चर मैं आपको बहुत सारे रूब्रिक्स बताने वाली हूँ जो वह बहुत ही इम्पॉर्टेंट है एज अ एग्ज़ाम पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू, एज अ प्रैक्टिस एंड टू नो Bryonia alba completely. These rubrics are very important. So let's start with the topic today. Today's topic is Bryonia alba. This is a homeopathic remedy which is made from the plant. The name of the plant is white hop or white bryony. ये नाम से भी इस प्लांट को जाना जाता है। तो फैमिली है कुकुरबिटेसी। नाउ की फीचर्स और डिस्टिंग्विशिंग पॉइंट्स और पिक्यूआरएस सिम्टम ऑफ ब्रायोनिया अल्बा। ऐसे पॉइंट्स जो ब्रायोनिया अल्बा को कम्प्लीटली दूसरी रेमेडी से डिफर कर रहा है वो है एग्रीवेशन फ्रॉम मोशन। Bryonia alba patient is aggravated from the motion. Any kind of little motion, the patient is aggravated. Dryness runs all over the remedy. Lips are dry, stools are dry, all cough expectoration is scanty and dry. Patient has to cough a lot. उसको बहुत खांसना पड़ता है कफ एक्सपेक्टोरेशन निकालने के लिए, इतना ड्राइनेस रहता है। ओके, नेक्स्ट इज थर्स्ट फॉर लार्ज क्वांटिटी ऑफ कोल्ड ड्रिंक्स और कोल्ड वाटर यू कैन से। फोर्थ इज शार्प स्टिचिंग पेन भी बहुत ही पिकुलर है, शार्प एंड स्टिचिंग टाइप ऑफ पेन। फिफ्थ इज मेंटल इरिटेबिलिटी एंड दैट्स वाई पेशेंट अवर्स टू कंपनी। ओके, दिस इज very unique and 5 peculiar points of Bryonia alba which completely describes Bryonia alba, and many MCQs are made out of this which are actually coming in our BHMS exam, AIA PGT exams, and our Viva questions are asked on this topic very frequently. So coming to the general constitution means physical makeup of the patient. Bryonia have affinity for liver, mucoskeletal system, serous and mucous membrane. It is best adapted to the gouty and rheumatic diathesis. Physical look of patient is dark or black hair, dark complexion, firm muscular fiber, nervous, slender people. So this is the look of the patient. This is Bryonia alba patient which is aggravated from the motion. Any little motion patient is aggravated. And rest, amelioration. Complete quiet rest gives amelioration. So Bryonia patient always tells that I want to go home. Bryonia patient के माइंड में हमेशा डर रहता है that he will become poor, he will suffer from poverty, so he want to make money. So every time the patient is busy in industrious work, his work to make money to become financially confident. Okay, now next is there is dryness of the lip is dry, cracked. Third is pain in the chest while coughing. The patient has to hold the chest with the hand. Next is dry, hard, knotty stools as if bone. Then is dark, scanty urine. The urine is very scanty and dark in color. Yellow, paleness of the skin. Thirst for large quantity of cold water in the long intervals. And there is constant fear in the Bryonia patient that he will become poor. So he always busy in work. The patient is so much so busy in his business that he also dream of business. उसको सपने भी बिजनेस के आते हैं, इतना वो फाइनेंशियली सिक्योर होना चाहता है. This is Bryonia alba. Now coming to the mentals of the Bryonia alba, fear of poverty. Straightforward, emotionally uncomplicated, always talks about business. Work hard to reach financial security. Busy, talks about business and worries about business. Bryonia patient even dreams about business. irritable and anxious but about the business, about the future and material security. Now want to go home. The patient, even if at home, the patient in delirium says that he want to go at home. For example, if child it is seen very frequently, जब वो बीमार होता है बच्चा, तब वो नींद में ऐसा बोल रहा है, घर पर ही है फिर भी नींद में ऐसा बोलता है मुझे घर जाना है. Now this is bryonia patient. Okay, some rubrics to explain this is: mind, desire to go home, homesickness, mind, home, talks of, mind, delirium, home, want to go, mind, delusion, home, away from. So patient has delusion that he is away from home, so he wants to go home. Home is where bryonia patient feels safe and comfortable. So patient in chronic or acute illness, bryonia wants to go at home and stay at home and want to be alone and want to take complete rest to feel comfortable. So next, bryonia patient inclined to be vehement and anger. He is very angry. Everything's put him out of humor. Now coming to generals of bryonia: excessive dryness of mucous membrane of entire body. Lips and tongues are dry, parched and cracked. Both the lips and tongues are dry, parched and cracked. Stools are dry as if burned. Cough dry, hard, racking with scanty expectoration. Urine is dark and scanty. Vicarious menstruation. Vicarious menstruation means nose bleed when menses should appear. Means menses are suppressed and nose start to bleed. This is the female complaint. This is seen in the females that during the time of menses, the menses are suppressed and nose bleeding appears. Okay. Now fifth is pain, stitching type, tearing type, worse at night, aggravated by motion and amelioration by complete absolute rest and lying on the painful side. Means pressure also gives amelioration. Great thirst for large quantity of cold water at long intervals. Ailments, this is very very important because MCQs are asked many times out of this, that ailments from chagrin, mortification, anger and violence. Eighth one is tendency to develop right-sided symptoms except headache, which is of the left-sided. This is also asked as MCQ because it is a very important and peculiar symptom seen in bryonia, that all the complaints they have tendency to develop in the right side but only headache comes on the left side. Aggravation and amelioration of bryonia. Aggravation, taking cold in hot summer weather, that is becoming cold or chilled when overheated, getting hot in the summer. Motion, very very important, this is asked as MCQ. Motion aggravation is bryonia. And 9 p.m. aggravation, that is for chill and fever. This is very peculiar seen in bryonia. This can also be asked as MCQ. Next, amelioration, rest from being quiet, better by steady pressure, better by holding painful part, lying on the painful part, perspiration and open air. This all gives amelioration to the bryonia patient. Now food desires: strong desire for cold, icy cold water, desire for warm milk sometime. This is also seen in bryonia. Okay. Now aggravation from bread, desire for or aggravated from meat, oyster, coffee and wines. Means desire for all these things, but when the patient eats all these things, he is aggravated. Particulars of bryonia: headache when stooping as if brain would burst out of the forehead. Headache from ironing, from coughing. At morning, when rising, opening the eyes, patient suffer from, starts with the headache. Constipation also gives headache to this patient. Cough of bryonia. Nose bleeds when menses should appear. Vicarious menstruation. This is seen in females. Dry hacking cough with scanty expectoration. Patient hold the chest with the hand while coughing, because little motion while coughing also pain aggravates, and all the symptoms are aggravated by motion in the bryonia. Ear, oral vertigo, roaring and buzzing in the ear. Mouth, dry parched, cracked lips. Tongue is dry coated, yellowish and dark brown. So unique tongue, this is also asked as MCQ, the tongue of bryonia. This is yellow brownish coated tongue, and which is dry and cracked also. Okay. Now stool, constipated, inactive, no inclination for stool. Stools are hard, large, dry as if burned. Constipation, and then diarrhea. Bryonia patient also suffer from diarrhea during the spells of hot weather, bilious acrid soreness of the anus like dirty water, undigested food from cold drinks when overheated. This causes diarrhea in the ब्रायोनिया पेशेंट व्हेन इट इज़ ओवर हीटेड एंड दे ड्रिंक एनी कोल्ड ड्रिंक्स, अगर कोल्ड ड्रिंक ले लेते हैं बहुत ही गर्मी के सीज़न में तो ब्रायोनिया पेशेंट को तुरंत डायरिया हो जाएगा. डायरिया फ्रॉम sauerkraut from fruits aggravated in the morning on moving, even hand and feet. If it is moved, then patient has to rush for this stool in the diarrhea case. Okay, urine is dark colored, scanty, hot urine. Female complains vicarious menstruation. Meme is heavy, stony hard, hot and painful, must support the breast. Okay, now sleep of the bryonia patient: drowsy, starting when falling asleep, dreams of business matters, tendency to sleep on the left side. This is also one of the unique feature which is seen in the bryonia. Fever, pulse is full and hard, tense and quick, desire for cold water in the fever, want to be alone, want to go home, does not want to move because movement aggravate the symptom. Perspiration relieves all the complaint, and fever usually come at 9 p.m. This is very unique in the bryonia. This can also be asked as MCQ. The fever comes at 9 p.m. Okay. Now, last but not the least, important rubrics which you will find in your repertories to see for bryonia patient, and this is asked as MCQ. बहुत बार MCQ पूछा जाता है और वाइवा क्वेश्चन वेरी फ्रीक्वेंटली पूछा जाता ही है. इसमें से AIAP एग्जाम्स में बहुत सारे MCQs इस टॉपिक से ही पूछे जाते हैं. सो माइंड रूब्रिक: fear of poverty, talks of business, busy, delirium, busy, delusion, fancies, is doing business, industrious, disturbed, averse to be. This is very unique: disturbed, averse to be. Talk, indisposed to be, desire to be silent, tachytone, dreams of business, dreams being busy, dreams exertion, mental and physical, dreams exhausting, avarice. Now in Kent repertory mind chapter you will find unique rubrics like desire warm milk, desire soups. In Phatak's repertory you will find loquacity of business. Now this is all about bryonia. Do like, share and subscribe. Jai Bharat, Jai Hind. If you want any unique topic to be explained like this handwritten notes, do write in comment box. Till then, Jai Bharat, Jai Hind.